Hey guys, welcome back. It's week 5 on our road of being a 30K funnel trader. If you guys just joining, I'm Chris Bank. Yeah, I'm documenting my journey up to profitability. Now let's turn into our chat. So today's Monday, the first day of the week, and this is the only trade I've taken so far. And this trade is a very, very good trade, but I didn't close at this point. I closed right here. Okay. It was 1 to 1. All right. So I closed here. And shortly, I'm gonna let you guys know exactly why I had to close here. Okay. Now, looking back, you guys can see this trade high. All the confluence it is a plus setup to have a trend change, I had a break of structure, and now price has stopped into my zone. I had a liquidity grab and a trend change on a 1 minute time frame. Everything is great, right? I was seeing this bullish engulfing here that engulfs the previous candlestick. Okay, guys. Now, I also believe in the concept of resistance and support. I believe in the concept of resistance and support. But at this time, I was way too impatient, right? Yeah, I should have waited a little bit for this next candle, for this candle as right. So when it broke down, I should have waited to see what the candle should have done. And who have made a decision from there, but I just closed as soon as this candle reached up. I didn't wait for it to close. It just be up and down, close and then the candle was fluctuating. So this is a mistake. This trade, if I'm supposed to be holding the trade at this time, this trade who have been a 103, right? So I lost 2%, guys. I lost 2%. If I raise 1%, but I raising half percent, so it's like I lost 1% profit, 1% profit. Guys, what's up, Grace? What's up? What's up? If I want to hear it, sir, this would have been good as well. This would have been good. This was my initial take profit. This was my initial take profit because I always target the high, right? 50-minute high or 50-minute low. So, guys, this is a trade I will talk today. Let's see how the rest of the week gonna go. Yeah, this was a very excellent trade. Everything was followed. Risk was followed. The strategy was followed, and everything else has been followed so far. So we're gonna look. So far, we don't have setup for now. It's already 4:47, almost 5 o'clock. That we will stop trading, but then we have to just close. All right, like we already gone for the day, guys. So that trade of a hell, like there's something huge, guys. There's something huge, but it is what it is. So we're gonna come back tomorrow, right? Come tomorrow and see our opportunities, and then be able to take trades. So guys, we can get funded and get payout and reach our 30K, right? Go have to be a 30K funded trader now. Okay, so stay tuned for the best. Once again, I'm Chris Banks. Thanks for tuning. Okay, guys, so this is Tuesday, and so far we have taken one trade already. And heading out to our screen, the trade we took this morning was Euro USD, and this trade followed the trend line strategies. So we're looking at it here is like this is a A plus setup, right? Even though the result turned out to be other way, but it's okay. So we got a 1 touch point, we got a 2 touch point, we got a 3 touch point, and then we have to break. So usually we'll have 3 touch point, that's A plus setup, and then with the confluence of a trend change, we did have a trend change in this one. We had a trend change, and then we had a pullback. So this was very, very mind blowing, right? And yeah, we still took a loss on it. Even though it was mind blowing. So guys, it is what it is. We're gonna be looking for other opportunities. It's Tuesday, we still got a week ahead. And on go, on go. I didn't take this trade like okay, let me go to the 1 minute time frame. But I watch this, I do the line and everything, but I didn't take this trade because the risk to reward is just not convenience, man. It's just 1 to 1. And I'm not gonna risk 1 for 1, right? So I'm waiting for a little pullback and so I can get a better risk to reward, but I didn't get it. So I'm not into this position now. But this seems to be a cool trade. And we have GBUSD. We don't have anything really going out, right? Don't have anything going. We don't have feature consolidating, and then we have AUSD. We have the same thing, but so far we're just gonna sit on our hands and watch what price does, right? Just watch what price does. Just keep watching what price is doing. Keep watching it. So guys, it is what it is. That's all it is. So system we still got a week ahead. We still got the days ahead, in fact. So let's see New York session. Let's see what we got, and then I'm gonna update you guys definitely. Hey guys, it's Friday morning. So I guess I'll be saying good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's Chris Banks, and this trade, right? So this is second trade of the week. Second trade of the week. We've been looking for setups throughout the week, but then we didn't have anything. But then this is what we had, right? So we took this with this trade, right? Saying everything uptrend. We had a continuous brokerage structure, and now we wanted to continue the trend, right? So this was trend continuation, but price stopping to price stop was into the trade. Went up by 1 to 3. No, not 1 to 3, but 1.3, right? So we was up 1.3, and unfortunately for us, price just came down and swept our stop loss. But then you can see here that my other buyers friends are already trying to push the price up, man. You know, seeing it, seeing what they're doing. uh, so I really do love the kind of reaction from the chat, right? Because the can already give you the details of what happening along with the volume. So you can see here there was a balloon, not too big, but something happened here. So the buyers were really wanted to trade from this zone. So it wasn't what I mean. I was looking for it, and then my other buyer friends wanted to trade from this one as well. But then, yeah, we all got trapped. But that's it. Gonna see what's next. Gonna see what's price heading next, and then we could look for potential entry in that direction. So that it's for your USD this Friday, and we got a stop loss already. So let's see for gold. Mm. But gold and USD had this bullish momentum, right? Seeing it. So they have trend change, record structure, USD the same thing. And for GBUS it's the opposite. Yeah, and that's why I make this trade. Yeah, like the confluence, GBUSD and USD, you try to go in the same direction, but they weren't again at this time. So for GBUSD, we had a trend change, and that means we you know, starting the bearish trend, right? Then we're looking for. So at this point, what we'll be looking for is, yeah, already this is way too. I don't know how to call it. All right, but we're gonna see how price plays out right here. I want to see how price plays out, right? Because price could break here, give us a broker structure, and then breaks the trend line, which could tell me that okay, I should go for a sell. But then we are below 50% of the faith, which also means that the trend line could be a liquidity swept and price could continue in the uptrend, right? So we're going to consider all of those reaction and see how we react to it. And then for AD USD, is what we got. We got a trend change, the same thing. We got a trend change. It's beautiful, like AD USD had a perfect setup, right? It had perfect setup, but this will happen a little bit in night, right? And the trend change break the 4 hour trend line, came up, retested, and then just down, right? Just retested and down. So definitely this might be a great trade, definitely. But it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna look. We don't have a trade on Friday. We're just gonna keep it. But I'm still keeping my eye open right here, right? I'm keeping my eye open. So after the candle, I'll, mostly be disappointed and just move on. But I'm gonna keep my eyes open to this zone, and I'm looking at it could be a liquidity grab, right? So if price came down at a steep liquidity, then if price is down, then price gonna reserve. I'm waiting for confirmation. So I'm waiting for engulfing bullish engulfing candles, something like that, to let me know that okay, this might be a liquidity. But if it's not a liquidity sweep, I'm okay with that as well, right? So just gonna look at all of these perspectives on the chart, and like one thing, traders, try not imposing your bias on the chart. Try not to do that, because the truth is you don't know. Let's be honest, you don't know. So imposing a bias like price must go. No, bias changes. Price might tell you that it's going like for the morning you might have a different bias, and the evening comes, you have a total different bias, which is okay. There's no okay, I'm betraying my thoughts, so I'm not loyal to my thought. No, it's you have to be flexible with your bias, right? So at this point, I'm just flexible. I'm waiting for price to show me exactly where it's going. I'm not concluding right here now. I'm not concluding. Price show me where it's going, and then now I go in that direction. Price show me that it's going there, I'm going there. Price show me that it's not going there, then we go instead the where price is going, right? So let's just look out of these and just hold on tight, and I'm gonna update you guys if there's any other trade update or whatever. But you guys can stay tuned. We still in a week, the week 5, and yeah, we're doing well so far. Doing well so far. So, so let's go, guys.